In this video, we're going to have a look at the simple login logout button. So at the moment, I'm logged out. So to log in, simply click on the login. And because I'm using WooCommerce, I have the login and register on the same page. So I'm just going to log in here. And then once I've logged in, you will see that the status then changes from login to logout. If I head over to the shop, or perhaps I'm on the home page and I want to log out, simply clicking on the logout, and then I'll be logged out. And to log back in, simply click on login, and I'll be logged back in. So that's how it works. To show you how it's all set up, I'm going to head over here to Oxygen. I've already loaded Oxygen, and basically what I've done is I've added a code block here in the menu in my header, and in that code block I've put a function that I created. And the function I created was by login logout button, and we've just executed a do action. So to have a look at that function, then I'm using code snippets. I don't think we need that. We are currently logged in. And just to show you the function, so the first thing that we're going to do then is name the function. So you'll see my function, I've just called it by login logout, and then I've added the action by login logout button, and the by login logout then is the same as the function name, and then the do action is simply do action, and we just include that first portion there. So that would be to add the do action to the website, then would just be like that. Okay, so that's the do action, and basically what we're doing is we're checking if the user, we check if the user is logged in, and we're checking if the user is not logged in. So this exclamation mark here points to the fact that the user is not logged in. Right, so in the first one we say if the user is logged in, then we're going to display the logout, and the link for the logout will be the WordPress WP logout URL get permalink. So what this is going to do is this is just going to redirect me to the same page that I'm on. And that is if I click on logout, but we do need to have this WP logout URL because that's going to make sure then that I am logged out. The next thing, if I'm not logged in, so if I'm logged out, then we need to have this, in this case, we're looking at login or register. And in both these cases, because I'm using WooCommerce, I've set it to go to the My Account page. But if I don't have WooCommerce installed, maybe what I want to do is head over to the default WordPress login or logout URL. So at the moment you saw that if I logged in or logged out, everything happens around the WooCommerce login and logout section. So to log in again, so that works well if you have WooCommerce installed. If you don't have WooCommerce installed, then we're going to use the default WordPress login. So in that case, then I'm going to remove the My Account, and then what we're going to use is the WP login URL. So that's what we're going to be using then. So in that case, you may not have a registration option. Maybe you're just going to have this login logout if you don't have the registration. So just to show you how that would work, I'm going to leave the register there, but we'll just have a look now if we're going to go with the standard login logout. So I'm just going to refresh, and I'm going to go to the home page, browsing the website. I want to log out. I'm going to log out, and now I want to log in again, and I click on login, and you'll see now. Let me just have a look here. Okay, so when I made the change, I wasn't logged in. So let me just log in and I'll make that change again. Right, so head over I'm just going to refresh to make sure that I'm logged in now. Right. And then I'm going to remove the my account reference. And now the PHP will be live for the login logout button. Save that. Just make sure that is working. Yeah, head over to the website, refresh. Then I'm going to log out. So that's fine. And that was because I was on the shop page. So let's say I'm just here on the home page and I need to log in. You'll see now that I'm redirected to the standard WordPress login page. Now I will log in as normal. And once I'm logged in, you'll see then I get redirected to the dashboard, which is standard. So that's pretty much then how it works, either to redirect to the WooCommerce login or to be redirected to the standard WordPress login URL. So to be logged into the WooCommerce, we're just going to put in the standard my account, and then we just echo out the, and I'm logged out. Just log in again there. So yeah, otherwise we're just going to echo out the PHP and just go to the standard my account page. So, that's pretty much how you can do it. And it's nice because it automatically changes the moment you logged in or logged out. So if I click on tutorials, it's very quick and instant. There's nothing else that you need to do. So, right. Well, I hope you find that useful. I'll include the code in the comment below the video, and thank you for watching.